heading straight to the Dole Plantation. Are you girls excited about that?
Yes.
Yas. Wait, were you guys trying to catch the birds? We're on the train. We're gonna see how pineapples are made. Can I admit something stupid? When I came here last year, I thought pineapples grew on trees. Wrong!
They can fly!
Oh my God, look.
They keep coming to the surface with their mouths open, and then they like swallow the air or something.
We found a kitty. Fliss, was that the funnest part, seeing that kitty cat? What was so cute about it?
I don't know, it just reminds me of Boo.
So this is my second time in Hawaii. Both times were for Silhouette Summit, and the first time I came with a girlfriend and we didn't have a car, we just Ubered everywhere. This time, because I had the girls, I thought it would be awesome to get a car, and I love it. I love that we're headed up to Turtle Bay, and it's just been fun to kind of see the landscape of the land. I don't feel like we were able to do that because we didn't go very many places the first time. This is a month sail. Everybody's moving out on our main beach. We were looking for Impossible's Pizza truck, which was on Google or on our map thing, but it doesn't exist. Instead, we found all these other trucks.
This is like burgers and...
Utter confusion on how to order from these food trucks because there's like so many of them and they all have their menus out and they all go to different food trucks, but you don't know which one. The girls are just walking around in the water here at Sharks Cove. Today our plan is we got our swimsuits and cover-ups on, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start at Sharks Cove. We're going to swim there and snorkel there and then move on to another beach. We're just gonna beach hop all day long. Get some shaved ice. We're in very slow traffic headed back towards Turtle Bay. We need to grab a couple of things and then we're gonna go explore. Other than Pokemon, the other overarching thing of this trip has been kitty cats. We've seen kitty cats everywhere.